Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa picante. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, your choice of chilies for heat, a small onion, a few cloves of garlic, and a fresh bunch of cilantro. Selecting quality, fresh produce is key to a delicious salsa. Aim for about 1½ pounds of tomatoes to start. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. For a richer flavor, you can roast or char your chilies, tomatoes, and onion. This step adds a wonderful smoky depth to your salsa. Once cooled, peel the charred skins from the chilies and remove their stems. Then, roughly chop all your roasted vegetables, along with the fresh garlic and cilantro, before moving to the next step. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer all your prepared ingredients into a blender or food processor. Pulse the mixture until you reach your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others smooth. Now, season with salt to taste and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Taste and adjust the amount of chili if you want more heat, ensuring a perfect balance. Your homemade salsa picante is ready to enjoy. Serve it fresh with your favorite tortilla chips, tacos, or as a vibrant topping for any meal. For best flavor, let it chill for about 30 minutes before serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.